Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for water sign Scorpio for the month of September. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see what are the messages for you Scorpio for the month of September. Three of Pentacles, the Hangman, Five of Wands. Someone in this connection is spiritual awakening, and now they are realizing the worth of other person and they want to work on this relationship. It could be you or your person also, and they don't want to give up, or it could be you don't want to give up on this connection even though there are obstacles in near future. So let's see some more messages for you Scorpio. Eight of Cups. Yeah, someone is walked away in this situation, in this relationship. That's why the other person is spiritual awakening. Ten of Cups. Lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Knight of Swords. Yeah, one person is walked away but one person is coming back. So I think if you walked away, your person want to come towards you Scorpio. Definitely they want this happiness with you, but you walked away, you turn your back, but they want to communicate you. Some communication is also coming. Okay, see Page of Pentacles. Yes, communication. You are going to communicate your person or your person want to communicate you. High Priestess. Yeah, some secrets are hidden in this connection. Six of Swords. This could be long distance relationship also. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, Two of Cups. You both love each other, but something happened, so one person is walked away for some only. Six of Pentacles. Yes, there is no equal give and take in this connection in past. That's why you could be walked away or your person, but now your person want to offer equal give and take. Yeah, Three of Wands. Waiting. Someone is waiting or you are waiting for your person to come towards you, or your person is waiting for you. Under the deck, Ten of Wands. Yeah, one person feeling very burdened. So let's see your person energy, what they are up to. I think it could be you walked away in this connection because you only the person invest more on this connection. The Empress. Your person right now in the Empress energy. Four of Cups. Yeah, they are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. Yeah, Seven of Pentacles. They are waiting. Judgment. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you, they want second chance, but under the deck, Seven of Swords. Some sneaky energies here, some manipulation, some miscommunication or false communication. Four of Pentacles. I think your person not expressing their feelings to you in past, that's why you turn your back, but this time your person want to express their feelings. And Five of Cups. They are feeling very sad without you. They are very stubborn. Yeah, King of Wands. There is lot of passion between both of you. Your person is very attracted to you. The Devil. Yeah, I think your person is dominating in this connection. You or your person could be Capricorn also. Yeah, they want second chance, but they are not telling to straight away. They want second chance, but they are acting like they are okay because they are not expressing their feelings. And the Devil energy, both are obsessed with each other. And yeah, they want second chance but not expressing that feeling and that opinion to you. And Ten of Pentacles. Yes, under the deck. So they want to offer stability also, but you turn your back and you are waiting for the right moment to take place, but your person want to come towards you, and they are waiting for their chance, and they want a second chance but they are not saying it. So this is the reading for you Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.